My name is Frank and I'm principal here at Bell Cambridge. Cambridge is a historic city with a university that's over 800 years old, but it's also a very young city. Bell Cambridge is based here in the south of the city, set in very large green grounds and with some of the best facilities you will find anywhere. We have a very spacious learning centre, a large dining room, an activity zone where students can go and book activities, and a pavilion with sports and games activities for the students. Here at Bell Cambridge, we consider ourselves a premium provider of English language education, and we try to provide students with the very best of everything. I look forward to meeting you if you come here to study with us. Thank you.